don't understand why we need to come all the way to Brooklyn for some weed. Because Brooklyn has the best weed, Morty. How do you know you could even trust these guys? You're not worried it's a setup? No, because to set someone up, you have to have the drop on them. They should be worried about me, not the other way around, Morty. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, indeed, little nigga. You should be worried, old man. I hate to break it to you, but gods don't worry. And we don't carry cash, so put that gun away. We not here for your money, old nigga. We want that portal gun. So if you think you can make that happen, pull the trigger, pussy. Rick! Wake up! This is insane. I thought you could defend against anything, much less a sleeper hole. I can, Morty, but that wasn't a sleeper hole. It's called a fiend out. And no, that's the one thing I can't defend against. I don't know, man. It looked like a sleeper hole to me. Well, that's where you're wrong, Morty. Are we stranded here? Yes, Morty. It's called shit out of luck. You need to learn slang. Oh, jeez.